Today we'll make an old traditional kebab recipe. For this recipe we used smoked paprika, cumin, salt, ground pepper, green onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, white onions, flatbread and minced meat. We used green onions to give a fresh oniony taste to this meat. This time we didn't make our flatbread from scratch, but if you want to see how we made it, click on the card in the upper right corner. You can use anything you like, pita bread or even flour tortillas. The minced meat is a mix of beef and lamb. Fat content is roughly 30%. We start by cleaning the green onions. We proceed by peeling and dicing a white onion. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. We add the diced onion to our meat. We finely chop the green part of the onion. We continue by dicing some tomatoes, which we will add to the mix. We cut some bell peppers in big chunks. We peel some onions. We season the mix with salt, ground pepper, cumin and smoked paprika, but you can add hot paprika too if you want. This is the consistency we've got. We will try to cook the meat on skewers without using eggs or flour. You need to gently squeeze it on the skewers. If it sticks to your hand, then use some oil or cold water. You can arrange it in any way you like. We will cook on the charcoal some bell peppers and onions. They are sweet and moist cooked this way. They have a completely different taste. When the bell pepper and the onion are soft, we take them off the heat. Don't be afraid if it gets some color, it is normal. We peel them and we slice them up. When the meat is ready, we take it off the heat and we add it to our flatbread. We top it with some freshly diced tomatoes, peppers, onions, and we season it with a pinch of salt. We wrap it tight and we are done. This is an old recipe of kebab which is fresh and it tastes amazing. It is bursting of flavor and with the sweet vegetables cooked on the charcoal, it's simply perfect. Sometimes the simpler the recipe, the better. Try it out and let us know what you think. See you next time.